Well, I've left the overnight campsite and we're on our way to what's called the wee campsite. But at the moment I'm just outside Fort William, or near Spean Bridge, heading north. A lovely view of Ben Nevis and the other mountains just by the side of the road. No walks yet, maybe later. I'll continue the journey and come up alongside the Caledonian Canal and past Spean Bridge, past the Lagan Locks. We've just turned off at Invergarry. We just stopped for a couple of minutes just to let Molly have a wander. This is Lochcaron. So Invergarry is over to the left, and yeah, so not a lot happening. We're just a reasonable drive, and yeah, just a little bit further along the road now, and this overlooking Loch Morar and the mountains in the distance. It's a very scenic drive, this. So we're about just over an hour away from where we're going. It's supposed to be raining, but so far it's not too bad. It's a bit cooler than yesterday, but it's pleasant enough. We're still on the road and now overlooking Lochcaron, so we're nearly there. The campsite I'm going to is actually on the shores of Lochcaron, so it's on the far shore, about halfway up, but we have to go right the way round the loch to get to it. So it's certainly a super spot. Little settlement on the far shore over there. Just driving along the shores of Lochcaron. Coming to a tunnel now. Better let these cars go. Put my lights on. So we're over the other side somewhere. I've just arrived at the wee campsite. Again, a slightly strange affair, but it's absolutely fine. So there's facilities over there. Water. So we're sort of packed in a bit. I don't know who else is coming, but yes, Lochcaron, the village, is just down the bottom there. So I was going to fill up with fuel, but the garage is closed, so they'll probably be open in the morning. But there is another one just up the road. So we'll have some lunch now. Here's a view of the campsite on a grey day, but at least it's not raining. These are the facilities, the water filling point there, and bins. And washing up area. Toilet and shower. Come on. Very nice. Very clean and modern. So it's a tenner a vehicle and a £5 per person. And I think £5 for hookup. to the top of the hill, and it was hard work. There's a lovely view across the lake and the mountains in the distance. What a shame it's not sunny, but never mind. So the path goes on up here and through the gorse. Because if I wanted to, I guess go up to the top of that mountain. If I wanted to. So the answer is I'll turn round here, I think, and then perhaps have a wander into the village. Being Sunday, it's completely and utterly dead. But never mind. Quiet day today, definitely. So I've come down from the hill now, and there's the entrance to the campsite. And we'll go down to the main street, which, rather than having to go all the way down the road, there's a shortcut, which is good. So this is the bustling heart of Lochcaron. Not a lot. So we'll go for a little walk along and see what we see. Well, I got to the end of the village, well, part way down, as far as I'm going, because it's drizzling a bit. But here's another garage. Do it yourself. Somebody's not happy with the two arrests. There's a shop open. I'll go in there tomorrow. Electric charger points. It's got everything you need, apart from activity. So wander back to the van now. Well, I've decided to treat myself. I'm going out tonight to the local pub for a meal. The Lochcaron Hotel, I think it's called. The campsite said they're open every night and they're good for food, so we'll give it a go. I've left Molly in the van. Although they're dog friendly. Oh, these are nice. Oh, it's quite a place. Yeah, so although they're dog friendly, I can't be bothered with jumping all over the place. So this is the hotel, pub, whatever, and we'll see. Please use the bar entrance, it says. Okay. Please use the bar entrance. So, this is it. Come in by the toilets. Oh, there.
Well, I've got an oven and a hob, and I can cook.
Yes, but everything starts close. Huh? There's nothing going to be. That's not good. Hello.
Hi, are you doing food?
Yes, of course.
So, we've got Lochcaron. Good, so this is the local pub. Very pleasant little place.
So 1 portion of chips, one
Run
chicken
by a
burger,
guy
anything
that's
else?
Greek, apparently. So.
2 coats.
Oh, this is just what I fancy. We'll give this a go, see if I can't demolish it.